Alright, so we are in Jimbaran Bay today, and it's a little bit of the local life here, as you can see. And I think it's gonna be a beautiful sunset today. Meanwhile, it's quite busy here. Yes, honey, it's busy, right?
Yeah,
Seems
seems like so busy.
Okay, we will see, we will see. So, little bit of the bakso seller. There are some people, local people. I think they enjoying today's the sunset in Jimbaran. So, that looks very optimistic today. But meanwhile, we will see how's the life on the beach. And here we go. Beautiful sunset, beautiful. It's gonna be today, and even there are some people around. So that's very, very optimistic. Yes, honey?
Yeah, beautiful.
Sayang just finished the work, so it's good relief to go to the beach. Maybe we're gonna have some food today, like a fish or something. I'm not sure yet. Youngsters chilling. There will be beautiful sunset in about half hour or something like this, I think. And yeah, that's how it looks like. How was your work today, honey?
So good.
Tired?
Tired.
Stressful?
Stressful.
So that's a good stress relief to go to the beach like this, yeah?
This is the beauty of living in Bali, you know, like after stressful, working, tiring, exhausting. I don't know what are other words that to explain everything. And then if you're already tired, finish working, and then you can jump to the beach. Or you just chill by the beach and enjoy coconut, drinking bintang. Stress release.
That's good. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, a little bit of the local life. There are some kids, even the foreigner and mixed local doggo, little doggo, the people playing on the beach. Nice little wee cute doggo, corn sellers. Okay, maybe it's not that busy as I was thinking at the beginning, but in general, still is some life, so it's not that bad.
Yeah, so now we are in Pantai Muaya Jimbaran, which is famous for this, seafood restaurant by the beach. You see already open, prepared, and also what is it called? Corn, guys.
There are always two corn guys here, always the same. But yeah, beautiful, clean beach today and the low tide. We were here actually already a few times, but it's like one of our favorite spots.
And look at the sunset, gonna be beautiful, and people by the beach walking, you know, enjoying life. This is how it is.
Okay, we decide we're gonna have a radler if they have summer and this roughly looking quarrums. And meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation. Alright, so it's quite busy here. I mean, to compare to the last time when we were in Canggu a few days ago during the weekend, and today is the weekday, not weekend. Here is quite busy, guys. And I was thinking just quickly, as that situation is like that, as the expats and locals prefer to enjoying this beach because it's just simply much more beautiful, and you have to agree with that. And Canggu looks, especially during current conditions where it's not many people around and the old businesses are like shut down, I don't want to say that, but looks ugly. At least I'm honest with you, right? So that's how it's look like. And personally, if you ask me about my personal thoughts about which beach is better if you compare Jimbaran Bay and Canggu, I will say Jimbaran. I just go to Canggu sometimes to make something fresh content, and I know many people like Canggu, so for you guys maybe you prefer more Canggu, but for me personally I don't like Canggu, but sometimes I just need to make a vlog in Canggu, right? So that's how it is. You can comment below which one you prefer. This one, where it's nice sun, beautiful sunset. Actually, okay, sunset is everywhere the same, but the vibe, or you prefer Canggu anyway? So comment below. Kids playing football, and a beautiful sunset gonna be very, very soon over the Jimbaran Bay. And here kids playing another kids playing football. And also I noticed something very interesting. I'm not sure what's going on here, but is some fish here. I think this is the small fish what we were showing last time. Yeah, there's some fisherman people here, and they have some small fish like this. Here we go, we will see. Oh, over here Hello. And they selling like the small fish like this. Hello. Very nice indeed. Okay, I will leave them alone. Maybe they're a little bit stressed. However, that's how it looks like, and I will focus on the today's vibes on this beach and the sunset. If you are familiar with this area or not, there is the Four Seasons Hotel if you wish to stay. However, I think I already mentioned once, Four Seasons is luxury hotel, premium luxury, so it's not the cheapest one. However, beautiful bay and beautiful area. I'm just in the wrong place right now. I hope so they're not gonna hit me because they're playing football over here and I'm on the middle of the soccer field, beach field, but it's okay. Nice, nice. Small Balinese Messi over here. They're actually really good. And also here they playing something. I don't know what they're playing, but this game is already since 1960s, 1970s. Like this, I watched the old videos on YouTube. They play on this beach and on the Kuta beach, so that must be some local game. And I think the sunset actually will be finished very soon because there is the cloud. So I think this is the last shot. Sayang already ordered some goodies for us, and I think she ordered bucket of radler. Cheers, honey. You order bucket?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
They have a very special promo.
Really? That's nice. Saya,
Yeah.
what do you think about this Jimbaran Bay Beach and Canggu if you compare both each other? Oh, so windy.
Yeah, I was just thinking like I prefer this Jimbaran. You know, like the beach is much cleaner and white sand beach and then more family friendly. You see, like even you cannot swim, your children cannot swim, you still can go to the beach and it's low tide and people are more happy. Yeah, you see it behind me also many expats with their family, you know. It's really highly recommended, but if you're asking me about Canggu,
Good for Tinder date.
good for Tinder date.
There will be actually still sunset behind the horizon where is the water level, so that's actually beautiful. I mean, my people enjoying the beach, mostly kids. It's really nice. So basically, as you see, the life here on this side of Bali is very peaceful in general. Very slow but very peaceful, and yeah.
So what do you think? Do you prefer to live in Jakarta or live in Bali?
Of course, I think you know the answer, right? I think everybody prefer here. Actually, some people prefer Jakarta. It's fine. It's just big city. But yeah, that's how it looks. So if you was thinking where are the foreigners, there are actually many here, especially with the kids and the families and stuff like this. So that's simply how does it look like. And many locals also enjoying the seafood at the front, where is the big restaurants. However, only few of them they are busy. And here is the corn guy, here is Christmas guy, and here is so many people, mostly local people actually, but also foreigners enjoying their dinner. There is only one or two restaurants who are very famous and actually quite full all the time. Anyway, check this out, the sky. It's actually pretty beautiful. Really nice.
All right, so this is how our daily life is, you know, like for me, after stressful, tiring, exhausted work, so yeah, we just chill by the beach. This is beautiful. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed, and like always, see you tomorrow. See ya.
Bye.